number 6 Alliance. It is Team 451.
Attack Robotics.
Run behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go.
And robots are off in our 22nd up time. Robots doing some scoring now. Red Alliance. Now shooting into Red Alliance. That's Tex Jr. Still shooting around in Blue Alliance side of the field. That is courtesy of Team 3173 Igniters. Now looks like we're going to have an active Blue Alliance up first. Team 2614 Mars mounting their robotics scoring plenty into that, and then headed back over towards their alliance wall to find fuel put into their robot as their alliance partner also shoots some fuel. We've got Blue Alliance shooting again from Team 3473. And they have 3 more seconds of that up being active. Mars able to take advantage of that. This one we switch over to the Red Alliance. Second one changes for Team 9406 Tech Jr. also right there, able to score as their alliance partner. Team 1601 Quantum Samurai is within the neutral zone collecting fuel and shooting it back towards their side of the field for their alliance partners. We've got Blue scoring into their active up now. With 2 robots able to score a lot of fuel simultaneously. We can see that Team 2614 has plenty of space inside their hopper to score fuel. 1 minute remaining in here in match number 4. 3173 scoring for the Blue Alliance just in time too, because now their hub is inactive. Team 9406 has scored as here goes center punch, also with a large hopper, so they are able to score a high amount of fuel before they have to go back and find some more. 3173 shooting towards their side, trying to take away this fuel that the Red Alliance could utilize, as both these hubs are going to be active for the remainder of the match for scoring. Blue Alliance robot scoring very well. Looks like that's Team 3173 Igniters scoring as they are collecting